Woo! Finally got out of the Shadow Realm. Wait, how long has that been ago?
Ay, caramba!
Every vintage railroader should know the world-famous Southern Steam program, not 21st Century Steam. The true excursion program that lasted with the true Southern identity from 1966 to 1982. No offense, N&W steam lovers out there, but one must think, who was there to replace them if they didn't operate? My friends, meet the crew. During the 1970s, 4449 was restored and repainted into AFT colors to celebrate the Bicentennial of America. Just look at her go, looking great in the beautiful red, white, and blue paint scheme. This trip has been captured through Tennessee and Florida by Renwick W. Brannon Jr. In the years of the 80s and 90s, the former Canadian Pacific G5 was used for excursion service on the former Western Maryland Main Line to Frostburg. But in 1981, 1238 was given the task of pulling a southern excursion through Virginia. This footage was made possible by Chuck McIntyre. Throughout 1969, the Flying Scotsman journeys across the United States and Canada. On her southeast segment of her journey, the Southern Railroad invites her to be a part of the Steam-O-Rama event. The Flying Scotsman was joined by Savannah Atlanta 750 and Southern's very own 4501. The three locomotives amaze rail fans with glorious scenes. If you all know who recorded the film, please let me know in the comments below. During the early 1980s, 765 is seen carrying an excursion through Indiana and Ohio. .765 was the substitute for former C&O 2716. Because of mechanical issues on 2716's behalf, 765 was brought in every now and then. Due to 2716's problematic failures, 765 would later become a steam legend. Thank you, Railroad Media Archive, for providing a beautiful film of 765 strutting her stuff. If there are more steam locomotives that traveled on the Southern that weren't owned or operated by them, or if I missed anything about the 4 engines, please let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching, and I'll see y'all next time.